A laser scanner meticulously verifies the purity of the alloy. Quality control performs a final sensor check before the material moves to the turbine core.
Ultrasonic testing ensures these nickel alloy billets meet the extreme demands of the APU turbine disc. Only 0 defects are accepted for Process A.
Spectrographic analysis confirms the batch certification. The tubes are cleared for the Process A APU assembly line. Access granted.
The scale of this fuselage section is impressive.
It is. Zoom in on the aft bulkhead geometry here. We need to verify the alignment.
The specialized cleaning carousel meticulously removes all surface contaminants, a critical step for these high-performance components.
Check the torque on the forward tray.
Reading 25 foot-pounds, aligned with the projection. Pressure holding steady at nominal.
Seal integrity confirmed. Data logged for Process A.
Verification complete. Seating depth and orientation are nominal across all blades, ensuring perfect balance. The complex gearbox is carefully mated to the APU turbine core using specialized tooling. Technicians then apply high Here we see the meticulous connection of the APU oil system lines. Technicians use calibrated tools. Final torque check on the manifold connections.
Sensors are secure and clipped. System operational.
holding steady at max limits.
Pressure is good.
We did it. The unit is certified.
The run-up is complete. We have a perfectly smooth frequency spectrum.
Flawless dynamic balance confirmed.
The 115 V AC output is stable at maximum load.
The boresig inspection of the APU combustion chamber shows the components are pristine with no carbon buildup. The internal integrity is certified.
A final inspection of the C-17's structural integrity. The team uses a laser measurement device to
Coordinates locked. We have vertical and horizontal accuracy confirmed.
Confirmed on the display. The APU bay is aligned for the lift.
Slings are connected, engineer.
Verified.
Gantry, take up the slack slowly.
isolators are seated correctly.
Confirmed. The unit is now physically integrated.
Keep it steady on your end. Almost there, watching the bend radius.
The APU control harness is connected to the C-17 flight deck interface, establishing critical digital communication. The specialist then verifies the pin seating.
Continuity test complete. System shows armed and ready.
Roger that. Confirmed secure.
The APU compartment is precisely sealed by a robotic arm. South Asian female
Circuit breakers verified and configured. Requesting APU initialization sequence. APU shutdown sequence initiated. Stand by for cooldown.
Check the coupling here.
Reading nominal.
All temporary gauges and diagnostic cables are disconnected, allowing the installation of the final fairings. Complete. The massive fuselage, complete with the integrated auxiliary power unit, slowly translates along the factory floor.
Sensor reading is stable at 2.2.
Confirmed. No micro cracks detected.
APU installation is secure. We are clear for the logistics phase. The C-17 Globemaster III receives its flight-ready designation. Following the UISO application...
Checklist complete for Station 4.
Copy that. Moving to APU inspection.
Explorer lens, showcasing the final product of the entire pipeline operating under its own power, having successfully transitioned.
Keep it centered. Watch your footing on the ramp.
Copy! Loadmaster! Keep it moving. Watch the left side. Clear on the left. Coming through.
Hydraulics pressurized.
Check. APU green, fuel levels nominal.
Copy that. Nav alignment in progress. Loadmaster, confirm weight and balance on pallet 4.
Copy that. Confirming balance now. Power checks complete. APU is online.
Confirmed, Captain. Clear to start auxiliary systems.